Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this episode, we are going to be learning how to download Airbitz BitCoin wallet application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So the first thing to do is to make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Go to the App Store and launch it open after you do that. Now, in the search box type in Airbitz BitCoin wallet and look for this application from Airbitz Inc. Airbitz is a Bitcoin storage application that allows you to buy, sell, and securely store BTC on your mobile devices. Tap on the Get button to start downloading the app and make sure that the application is downloaded and installed on your device. Once it is done, tap on Open. And there you have successfully downloaded Airbitz BitCoin wallet app on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.